Well, what? Where's your babies? Hmm? Where's your babies? You can't get much closer. Hmm? Well, I tried to feed you yesterday. Good morning, Patriots. JT here, Serenity Farms prepping. I'm just coming out of the woods. Okay, I gotta show you. Come on. She's following me. Or am I supposed to follow you? Come on. Are you coming? I have never seen anything like this. Where are you going? Come on. She literally, there's my foot. Very unusual. Do you need me to follow you somewhere? Do you have babies? She's circling me. Well, you gotta take me if you need my help. Let's go. You're following me. I need to follow you. She is cooing like crazy if you can hear her. Extremely unusual. I've had these birds attack me while I was driving my side-by-side through the woods. And this one is literally standing 6 inches, cooing like crazy. Well, what? What are we going to do? I'm not sure what you're looking for. Huh? I'm going to walk back up the driveway. Watch this. She literally followed me and is still a foot from my foot. Very unusual. Any animal bird folks out there want to let me know what's going on with this? I would appreciate it. We're going to do a little investigating and see what we can find out. I'll get back to you soon. So, we ventured into the woods. She kind of took the lead. I'm assuming it's a she. And we scared a big old rabbit. You have to show me where your nest is. I don't have all day. I'm still just about 3 feet from her. She's just cooing like crazy when the rooster's not crowing. All right, listen, I gotta go work out. If you're still hanging out when I get done, we can check again. Well, walking out of the woods helped me a lot. Quiet. All right. I gotta go get ready to work out. And I'll pick up that junk later. I'm just trying to sneak around to see if I can see where she goes. On that little No, you're not supposed to follow me. Okay, seriously, I gotta go. All right. That was one of the strangest things I've ever seen. Usually those birds are very timid and very aggressive. So, I don't know how to explain that. Sometimes shit just happens, I guess. I'll keep you up to date if there's anything startling, but really, if anybody knows animals, birds, why they would act like that, normally they're hurt, want you to follow them, this one can fly, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Mother Nature, you figure it out. But for now, Jake D, signing off.